So today we're at Ibis Excel in London, and this is a twin room. Hopefully you can put the beds apart, because it looks like it. So let's see, shall we? Yes. Right, so we've got two beds. Let's sort it out after properly. We've got a socket, light, bedside table there, TV, just find TV remote. Let's see if it works. Yeah, works. And then I've got a call me if you need to contact us, send us a WhatsApp on that number. Another bedside lamp. And a bench table thing. And then a cube with USB socket. So this is kettle clean. Let's have a look. Nope, sorry. Looks reasonably clean, yeah. Cups. Yeah, and some milk, some coffee, sugar, and some tea. And a chair. And a bin. And a lamp that swirls around. Whatever that is, or just tablet or something maybe. An extra. I think that's pillows. Hangers. Shelving. And a hairdryer. And a sanitary bag. Strange place to have a sanitary bag. So yeah. So, little wardrobe there. Let's take a look at these beds, shall we? Yeah. We've got a little mattress on top of a big mattress. It looks okay. Pillows look alright as well. Let's take a look at this one. Yeah. So yeah. That's clean. Oh, and also got a main light switch there as well. Oh, there's your thermostat, so you can turn it up or down. And that's that up there. Yeah. Let's turn it off. So this is bathroom. And step up. So you've got your LED lighting mirror, hair and body wash, shavers plug, sink, and shower. And quite a big shower. Let's see how clean that shower head is. Yeah, very clean. And hair and body wash and conditioning shampoo. And a towel. clean toilet, toilet roll, and 2 towels, and another bin. And that. And hooks there. And see how well these doors are. So that's what it looks like. Yeah. So don't forget to press like and subscribe. And I hope you're enjoying these videos. And if you are and you're not subscribed, please subscribe. It helps me with the YouTube algorithm as well. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.